busy doing some deflating at the moment. Probably going to head down to about 20 psi here.
Not a bad spot to be waking up on a Sunday.
Free camping here, just need a beach permit. And yeah, anyone can make it down here and just come up on the sand. I have to warn you though, it is quite soft. So I think I had to drop down to about 13 PSI last night. Hey guys, okay, so I know a few of you have actually asked how the T60 goes off-road, especially on the beach and everything. So that's actually where I am today. Now at the moment I'm just running about 15 PSI, I think two of the back ones are about 13 PSI. And yeah, I had to go down to low range, but it is particularly soft sand that we've got here. So I'm up at RedHead Beach at the moment, just doing a couple of runs. Been up and down the dunes as well though, handle that perfectly fine. Temperature wise, I'm sitting nicely at the halfway mark, so let's keep going, see how far it goes. If you're coming down on the weekend, just don't expect to be the only one here. Gets a little crowded at times. Just on our way back, thought we'd make a quick stop here just at the Swansea Channel, see if we can get a bit of fishing in. Not quite sure why we're trying, because I do have a pretty good track record of not actually catching anything, but you won't know until you try, right? So let's see what we get. Right, didn't catch anything here, so we just packed up. Maybe we're going to try hit up in a second spot for the day, but we might just call it that one for now as well. We'll see how we go. So we just came to what we thought was a lookout. Turns out it's actually a nudist beach. So yeah, we're going to be getting out of here pretty quick. Rightio, we decided to do the smart thing for the day, so we completely gave up on the fishing for the moment. Decided to do probably what we do best, so just doing a bit of exploring, and just came out to a couple of lookouts, so this is what we found.